Tired of manually updating your apps on Android? Keeping your apps updated ensures better performance, new features, and improved security. But doing it manually can be a hassle. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update apps automatically on Android, plus a hidden trick to update only on Wi-Fi and save mobile data. Let's get started. Android allows you to automatically update apps through the Google Play Store, ensuring that all your installed apps stay up to date without needing to check manually. By enabling automatic updates, you save time and reduce security risks caused by outdated apps. To enable automatic app updates, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. This is where all your installed apps receive updates from Google's servers. Once inside the Play Store, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear. Tap on Settings to access all Google Play preferences. Inside Settings, tap on Network Preferences. Then select Auto Update Apps. You will now see three options. Over any network, updates apps automatically using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Over Wi-Fi only, updates apps only when connected to Wi-Fi to save mobile data. Don't auto-update apps. Disables automatic updates, requiring manual updates. To ensure apps stay updated while saving mobile data, select Over Wi-Fi only and tap Done. If you prefer updates regardless of your connection, choose Over any network instead. Now, to be sure you update all apps, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear. Tap on Manage Apps and Device. Tap Update All to update all apps. Enabling automatic app updates on Android is a great way to keep your apps secure, up to date, and running smoothly without manual effort. Whether you update all apps automatically, set updates only for Wi-Fi, or manage auto updates for specific apps, these settings give you full control over app updates. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. See you in the next one.